In these grammar presentations, you're going to learn more on how to use expressions of quantity. So here's a list of the expressions of quantity you have learned so far. Assez, enough, beaucoup, a lot, also much and many in some cases. Combien, how much, how many. Peu, little, few. Un peu, a little. Trop, too much, too many. When used before a noun, expressions of quantity are followed by de or the apostrophe. Assez de légumes means enough veggies. Beaucoup de légumes means a lot of veggies. Combien de légumes means how many veggies. Peu de légumes means a few veggies. Trop de légumes mean too many veggies. Note that if you use de instead of de or the apostrophe, the meaning is going to be different. Remember that de means de plus les, meaning of the. So, beaucoup de professeurs means a lot of teachers. However, beaucoup des professeurs means a lot of the teachers. Same thing, beaucoup d'étudiants means a lot of students, while beaucoup des étudiants means a lot of the students. Trop d'étudiants means too many students. Trop des étudiants means too many of the students. Peu d'étudiants means few students. Peu des étudiants means few of the students. So careful not to make the mistakes to use des, which is very common. A lot of people use des after beaucoup. But if you use des, it might be confusing because des means basically de les means of the. So sometimes if you want to say a lot of teachers and you say beaucoup des professeurs, we're going to understand a lot of the teachers and we're going to say, which teachers are you talking about? Application, traduisez. Translate the following sentences into English. You can now pause the video and do the application exercise. 1. Beaucoup de légumes means a lot of vegetables. 2. Beaucoup des légumes means a lot of the vegetables. Beaucoup des fruits means a lot of the fruits. Beaucoup de fruits means a lot of fruits. Trop de bananes means too many bananas. Peu de pommes means few apples. Combien d'oignons means how many onions. Assez de pois means enough pears. You might have recognized pois as pears. Un peu des gâteaux means a few of the cakes because you have des. Peu d'eau means little water. Most expressions of quantity are followed by de and the apostrophe, including the following. 1 litre de lait, a liter of milk. 500 grammes de fromage, 500 grams of cheese. 1 kilo de pommes, 1 kilo of apples. Une boîte de haricots verts, a can of green beans. Note that haricots verts, we're going to consider that there is a consonant here, even if there is none. This is a special case that you're going to study later. At the moment, just remember that it's as if there was a consonant here. Une bouteille d'eau, a bottle of water. Une canette de soda, a piece of cake. Un paquet de farine is a slice of bread. You might remember that from the vocab. And une part de pizza is a slice of pizza. So both une tranche and une part means a slice. However, une part is used for food that is shaped like a circle. So a slice of cake would be une part de gâteau. A slice of tart will be une part de tarte, or a slice of pie will also be une part de tarte. For all of the other food, you're going to use une tranche de. Application, traduisez, translate. So if you're unsure about how to say a word, you can check either in the vocabulary list or online, but I would recommend that you only check the meaning of a word, not of the whole phrase. You can now pause the video and do the application exercise. 1, a liter of water is going to be 1 litre d'eau. 500 grams of butter are going to be 500 grammes de beurre. 1 kilo of oranges is going to be 1 kilo d'orange. A can of tuna is going to be une boîte de thon. A bottle of fruit juice is going to be une bouteille de jus de fruits. A beer can is going to be un morceau de pain. A bag of pasta is going to be un paquet de pâtes. So for food, we prefer to translate a bag with un paquet. A slice of ham is going to be une I want to say une part de pizza because a pizza has a circle shape. Exercice 1 complété. You can now pause the video and do the exercise. 1. Je mange beaucoup de desserts. I eat a lot of desserts. So careful with that. In French, it's pronounced dessert, okay, with the s sound and not a the sound like in English. Repeat. Je mange beaucoup de desserts. 2. Elle ne mange pas assez de fruits. Répétez. Elle ne mange pas assez de fruits. She doesn't eat enough fruit. 3. Nous mangeons trop de beurre. Répétez. Nous mangeons trop de beurre. We eat too much butter. 4. Elle prend un peu de bonbons. Répétez. Elle prend un peu de bonbons. She's having a little candy. 5. Combien d'étudiantes aiment le cours? Répétez. Combien d'étudiantes aiment le cours? How many students like the class? Exercice 2, traduisez. You can now pause the video and translate the following sentences. 1. A lot of students speak French. Beaucoup d'étudiantes parlent français. Répétez. Beaucoup d'étudiantes parlent français. A lot of the students speak French. Beaucoup des étudiantes parlent français. Répétez. Beaucoup des étudiantes parlent français. Remember that of the is going to be translated with de, and just of is going to be translated with d or d apostrophe. 3. I eat too much cheese. Je mange trop de fromage. Répétez, je mange trop de fromage. I eat too many eggs. Je mange trop d'œufs. Répétez, je mange trop d'œufs. So, in the singular, an egg is un œuf. We pronounce the final F. In the plural, in most cases, you drop the F sound. So it becomes just the sound E. E. Répétez, je mange trop d'œufs. 5. I don't drink enough water. You can now pause the video again and finish the exercise. 6. I drink a little milk. Je bois un peu de lait. Répétez, je bois un peu de lait. 7. I eat very little chicken. Je mange très peu de poulet. Répétez, je mange très peu de poulet. 8. We eat a lot of pastries. Nous mangeons beaucoup de pâtisseries. Répétez, nous mangeons beaucoup de pâtisseries. 9. We don't eat much ice cream. Répétez, nous ne mangeons pas beaucoup de glace. 10. How many classes are you taking this semester? Combien de cours est-ce que tu suis ce semestre? Répétez, combien de cours est-ce que tu suis ce semestre? So remember that classes, when you're referring to a course, is going to be translated as cours. Uh, so after combien, you need the de, because it's an expression of quantity. Then you have to use the est que to mark questions. Then remember that to take classes is to follow courses, literally. So you have to use the verb suivre. And if you have questions, feel free to write them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. Au revoir!